Mom abandoned me as a kid, started a second family, and now wants my help to pay for my sister's medical bills. My parents had me at 16, they were both in high school. After I was born, my dad dropped out to work full-time and take care of me, so my bio mom could stay in school. Eventually, after finishing high school, she realized that motherhood wasn't for her and left my dad and me. I was 2, so I don't really remember her being around. After that, my dad worked 3 times as hard to provide for me. He also met a nice woman whom he later married when I was 7. I consider her to be my real mom, but I'll call her my stepmom to avoid confusion. My bio mom didn't contribute in any way, not even financially. In fact, the last time she contacted me before now was on my 3rd birthday, which was just a quick happy birthday card through the mail. I never had ill feelings towards her decision because I had my dad, stepmom, and brother who filled the emptiness she left. My parents have never said anything negative about her. Her leaving me was not something I thought about every day, so you can imagine my confusion when she reached out on social media to talk. I thought about it for days before I agreed. We met in a restaurant for the first time in 25 years. It was awkward small talk at the beginning before we delved into why she left. My bio mom started crying while explaining why. She suffered from postpartum depression and felt trapped by the constant cycle, so she felt compelled to leave. She explained why she reached out and made it clear that she didn't leave because of me. Of course, I sympathized with her, as I saw my stepmom go through postpartum depression with my brother and saw how much it affected her. We met a couple more times before I was invited to meet her new family. She had a husband and also had 3 children, 13F, 11M, and 7F. After weeks of this, I had my most